Page 28, letter G. G. Read the sentences and circle all the words that begin with G. Alright, everyone, today we are learning about G. G. So, letter G has a G sound. Let's say that again. G, 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 G. Good job. One more time. G, 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 G. Awesome! Now let's read the story. Gorilla played the guitar for a goat and a goose. The girl at the gate listened too. Good job! Now let's find all the words that begin with G. G, 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 gorilla. G, G, guitar. G, G, goat. G, G, goose. G, G, girl. G, G, gate. Good job! Now let's go to the question. How many did you find? This means we will all count how many G's we see. G, G, gorilla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, everyone. Now let's write number 6 in the circle. Are y'all done? Amazing! Now let's go to the picture. Let's match the words with the picture. I see a g, g, girl at the g, g, gate. An outside door is called a gate. G, g, gate. Now let's look at the animals. G, g, gorilla. Good job. What is the gorilla playing? Yes, it's a guitar. G, g, guitar. Now there are 2 animals in front of the gorilla. Yes, I see a goat. G, g, goat. Good job, everyone. And the last one is a g, g, goose. It looks like a duck, right? But this is called a goose. A little bit different with a duck. All right? Good job, everyone. Let's go to the next page. Page 29. Circle or color the pictures that begin with G. Picture 1. Yes, this is a g, g, goose. Next one is a d, d, desk. Yes, good job. Next one. Do you remember the one that was playing the guitar? The animal? Yes, it was the g, g, gorilla. Good job. Next one is a horse. Next one, g, g, goat. Good job. Next one, g, g, girl. Yes. All right. And the next is a fork. Yes. And this one, the gorilla was playing this. Yes, it's a g, g, guitar. Good job. Now let's circle all the words that begin with G. G, 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 goose. G, g, gorilla. G, g, goat. G, g, girl. G, g, guitar. Fabulous. All right, everyone, let's go to the next page. Page 30. Practice writing the letter G. G. Yes, I see a g, g, goose and a g, g, guitar. Now remember, everyone, we have to read the words out loud. Let's begin. G, 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 G. Good job. One more time. G, 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 G. G, 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 G. Way to go! Let's go to the next line. G, 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 G. G, 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 G. G, 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 G. We're almost done, everyone. G, 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 G. G, 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 G. Remember to say the words. Last one. G, 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 G. Fantastic! Now, if you could not finish it, please finish it as homework. Good job. Let's go to the next page. Page 31. Color all the G gums. Yum, yum. Let's circle or color them. G, 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 G. Fabulous! Good job, everyone.